I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5 minute or less video. Today, I think it's even going to be shorter. I've worked about 10,000 cases. I have been doing this for 50 years. I'm a national expert in all IRS resolution matters. All my information is in my head. I don't need a fancy screen and a coat and tie. If you want to see me in a coat and tie, go to my national website, and I've been on TV a bunch of times. You can see me at 777irs.com, and more importantly, you can see me on my host of other IRS agents that we all work together. Anyway, there's 3 reasons I do these so you don't get ripped off. I give you insider information, and more than anything, I want you to go ahead and know the truth so you can make a decision on who to hire or to do this yourself. Many YouTubers do it yourself, and that's fine with me. Some of these are just public service that I just bust out. I sit at my home and knock them out. So today, as a revenue officer, the best advice that I could give you, whether you owe corporate tax, business tax, any tax, individual tax, any tax that you owe, is very simply this: is working all these cases and busting on as many doors. If you ever want to work with the IRS, you need to do just these 2 things to have a chance to work with them. And they're very simple. You must have all your tax returns filed. Extension return does not have to be filed, but IRS may insist on it. And you need to stay current. That is, you have to make current federal tax deposits, estimate payments, or your withholding has to be up to date. See, the thing is, when you're an agent, you come out and you want to know if the person's going to work with you. Well, if you're not current on your current estimate or withholding payments or your federal tax deposits, if you're a business and you haven't filed your tax returns, IRS is going to be very, very suspect in wanting to work with you at all. So if you are going to be coming and an agent you think is going to knock on your door, which they have been lately, they've been going out like by the hundreds. I can't even believe it. But if you're going to do that, you got to do those 2 things. If you do these 2 things, you're going to show IRS that you're willing to go ahead and get back in the system. Also, as a bonus tip that I give you, start making payments without asking IRS. Start going to irs.gov, the irs.gov portal, and start making a voluntary payment. So IRS now knows you're current, you filed all your tax returns, and use the irs.gov portal to make all payments. Don't send in checks, don't do anything. As a former IRS agent, I've worked thousands of cases. If I can help you, I'm welcome to do it. Just take my advice on any of my YouTubes. If I tell you anything, just do it. It's the only way you're going to know the truth, because I've done this too long. I don't care what anybody else says. I could give a crap what this person or that person says. I'm the one that's telling you the truth. I have been just doing this too long, and you need to know exactly what's going down. Do what I tell you, and you'll be fine. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription if you would. I don't really necessarily like, wow, I'm getting off on these. Actually, YouTube wants them. How you get moved up in standings in YouTube, believe it or not, is subscriptions. That's why everyone's pointing to it. No one's probably explained that to you, but I did. Thank you.